Cardiovascular disease can mean a range of different things. It refers to any condition that relates to your heart, or circulation. So, what are the risk factors? Well, high blood pressure is one of the most important. If your blood pressure is too high, it can damage your blood vessels. Smoking, high cholesterol, and diabetes can also damage your blood vessels, hence can also lead to CVD. There are also things that can cause those issues, like inactivity and being overweight. Cardiovascular disease is usually linked to atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is where arteries become clogged with fatty substances. These plaques cause the arteries to harden and narrow, restricting the blood flow and oxygen supply to vital organs. This can also increase the risk of blood clots. We'll now look at 3 different treatment methods. Statins are drugs to help lower cholesterol levels in the blood. They do this by lowering its production in the liver. Advantages are that they reduce the amount of so-called bad cholesterol in your blood, and increase the amount of good cholesterol. Adversely, some disadvantages include that it is a long-term drug, has to be taken regularly, can cause negative side effects, and the effect isn't instant, it takes a while to work. Our next treatment method is a process called angioplasty. This is where an inflated balloon is inserted into the blocked artery of a patient and is then inflated, causing the artery to widen. A clear advantage of this is an improved blood flow in the coronary vessels, whereas a disadvantage is that sometimes this can only be a temporary measure, and will need to be repeated when the artery narrows again because of the initial cause. The final method in this video is lifestyle changes. It's a fairly universal fact that a poor diet leads to poor health. We now know that high blood pressure puts strain on the arteries and increases risk of CVD, and by simply eating a healthy diet, moderating your alcohol intake, maintaining a healthy weight and doing regular exercise can all help maintain a healthy blood pressure.